Hello, language explorers. I'm Anne, and welcome back to Walk a Day English, where every day brings a new walking theme paired with English language learning. Today, we're going to explore our neighborhoods by looking for fire hydrants and describing them in English. Plus, we'll focus on a pronunciation practice with the long I and the short I sounds to improve your speaking skills. Stick around because there's a free PDF guide in the description to help you get the most out of today's walk and language practice. All right, let's start with the vocabulary. Today's words come straight from your walk, so keep a lookout for fire hydrants, a water connection point for firefighters, as you stroll around your neighborhood or block. Notice details like their color, their shape, and their location. Are they near trees, sidewalks, or houses? Take notes or snap pictures, and don't forget to share your photos in the comments. I love seeing how these everyday objects look different in different places. Later, use your new words to write in your journal. Now, let's jump into our language target, the long I and the short I minimal pair. What's this? It's learning to hear and pronounce words that are very close but sound different, like height, height, the long I, and hit, the short I. The long I in height sounds like I, like the body part, I. It's called a diphthong, while the short I is in hit is a very quick I sound. Let me show you some more pairs with these words so that you can practice them along with me. So our first pair is height, height versus hit, hit. Let me say the two pairs together. Height, hit, height, hit. If you like, feel free to pause the video and practice these word sounds with me. The more you hear and the more you try to match with me, the better your pronunciation will get and the better your hearing will be at hearing those small differences between these words. Here's a couple example sentences. So the mountain's height is over 2,000 meters. The mountain's height is over 2,000 meters. That's how tall the mountain is. She hit the ball very hard. She hit the ball very hard. So she swung the bat and the bat hit the ball, and I hope she got a home run. She hit the ball very hard. Here's our next pair. Bite, bite, and bit, bit. I'll say the two words together. Bite, bit, bite, bit. I took a bite of the apple. I took a bite of the apple. So a bite can be a noun, as in this case, or it can be used as a verb. So I bite the apple. I bite the apple. In the past tense, we have bit. I bit my tongue. I bit my tongue. Our next pair is fine, fine, fin, fin. Together, fine, fin, fine, fin. Everything is going fine. Everything is going fine. And the fish has a small fin. The fish has a small fin. These are the body parts that you often see at the top or the bottom and on the sides. It helps this fish swim and keep its balance. Light, light, lit, lit. Both of them together. Light, lit, light, lit. The light is bright. The light is bright. So this could be from a light bulb, a lamp, a flash, the sun. The light is bright. The candle was lit. Lit is the past tense of the verb form light. So I can light a candle every day, and the candle was lit. Lit. Our next pair, ride, ride, and rid, rid, ride, rid, ride, rid. I will ride my bike. I will ride my bike. Now I can ride a motorcycle, I can ride a horse. So we have lots of options there. Now, rid is to throw away. So I will get rid of the garbage. I will get rid of the garbage. And our last pair is time. Time. Tim. Tim. What time is it? What time is it? And Tim is my friend. Tim is my friend. And unfortunately, I don't have a picture of Tim. All right. So let's try a little quiz today and see how you can hear those two different sounds. So I will say one of these words in each pair. I will say it twice. Write down which word you hear. After 5 seconds, I'll share the answer with you. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hit, hit. Did you write down this word? Hit, hit. Let's try the next one. Bite, bite. Did you write down this word? Bite, bite. All right, here's number 3. Fine, fine. And did you write this word? Fine, fine. I hope everything is going fine with our quiz today. Lit, lit. Did you write that word? Okay, don't worry if you're not getting the right words. Just keep practicing and keep listening. Keep listening to those sounds. Here's number 5. Rid, rid. And the answer was rid, rid. Keep going. You're doing a great job. We just have one last word to listen to. Are you ready? Here we go. Time, time. And it was this one. Time, time. Let me know your score in the comments below and which ones were still hard for you to hear. Practice these sounds slowly at first. You can listen and repeat with the video today. Then try to say them naturally. Maybe talk with a friend on a walk using these words. It might feel tricky, but you'll get better with practice. Share some of your sentences you make with these words in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And remember, the free PDF guide below has all of today's words and some journaling questions to help you along the way. Now, it's time for one of my favorite exercises, a little more shadowing. This means you're going to listen closely and repeat what I say as soon as I say it. Very similar to what we did with the pronunciation of height and hit. This way, you are going to practice a little bit longer sentences and with some new vocabulary. Shadowing helps you improve your accent, your fluency, and your listening skills all at once. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. Just keep trying and you'll notice progress. Are you ready to see my journal for today? Let's go. On my walk, I saw 6 fire hydrants just on my side of the street. I hit on this topic after reading The Art of Noticing by Rob Walker. What is ordinary to me might be quite interesting to others. I was surprised at how many articles there were about fire hydrants. I learned so much from this walk and my Google search afterwards. Some hydrants are flush to the ground and others, like my first picture, are not. Most of the hydrants in Toronto are painted yellow. I have seen some red ones, but these are often on small streets or on property like a college campus. There are 2 main parts that I will write about today: the bonnet and the barrel. The bonnet may be a different color, but none of mine today were like that. If the bonnet is painted, it will be the same color as the ring on the side. The barrel is this part. In Toronto, we have dry barrel hydrants. This means that there is no water in the barrel. It is below ground. This is important in our cold winters so the water doesn't freeze inside. While at first glance, all 4 of these hydrants look the same. When you look closely, you will see that there are 2 different designs. The bonnets are clearly different and the barrels are less noticeably different. All of the hydrants have 3 outlets. The outlet facing the street is the pumper outlet and is the biggest. The other 2 are side outlets and are different sizes. All of the hydrants have a blue ring on one of the outlets. These are called hydrant markers and tell the firefighters how much pressure the flow rate is. These rings are also reflective in the light, so you can easily see them at night. Blue has the highest flow rate. That is followed by green, then orange, then red. So there you have it. Get outside, spot those fire hydrants, practice your long I and your short I sounds. And don't forget to shadow along with me. Download the free PDF guide in the description to make your practice fun and easy. Grab your journal, take a walk in your space, and share your thoughts and sentences with our community. Happy walking and happy learning. If you would like to get personalized feedback on your journal entry, become a WADE member by signing up on our website. Take a look at the next video for another great Walk-A-Day English language adventure. If you liked this video and would like to see more, click on the subscribe button. Until our next walk, stay safe and go explore your space, one word at a time.